What's up everyone, good evening, this is Kenny here. So today I'm at this new Wong Food Court. We're going to try some sample delicacies. This I came here as a child. We try some kiaw, Oyster. These are a few things that even as a child I come here to try. They'll be shifting places, and this is the kiaw that I've had as a child. So where is it located? This food court is located right opposite the Magistret Court. You can see there, I'm pointing at the Magistret Court. And this main road, right, will lead to the town area. It's right beside Hotel Sentral Melaka. This is Hotel Sentral Melaka. So the food court is right beside. There's ample parking here or behind. Very big food court. Let me show you. Ample parking space. Ample space. But I'm here on a Monday, so that's why you don't see that many full. But if you are here on the weekend, definitely full. First stop, store number 10 and 12. This is the kiaw I'm talking about. Self-service. What's on the menu? Okay lah, usually take this dry kiaw small. Oh, I added this. Just hantam one side dish. This is the kiaw. I ordered the dry one for tiao and mee. Tiao, mee. So this is the usual food that I ate as a kid. Look and see the pork lard here. This is the secret ingredient. And this is the kiaw. Let's try the soup. Good. It cost me 7 ringgit for these two. Next dish is this oyster egg. Oyster omelette, or we call Oyster. So store 13A. Let's go. Now this is the oyster omelette or Oyster, something that I must have when I come here. Okay, so sprinkle some lime on it. Chili or just by itself, good. Some places more flour than oyster, so this is a okay balance on it. Okay, this stall, this shop is something that we order as a child as well. All this stuff.吃。
要打包什么？好乱哦，
很乱啊！
占嘴了。
你在这边卖很久啊，弟？
我卖了30年了。
30年了，我其实
已经20多年。
我吃你的东西真要做生子啊！
对哦。
我爸爸妈妈每次来一定跟你熬的。
今年你几岁哦？
我今年37哦。
啊，对啊，你7岁哦。
啊，对。来，我也是要8块半。Now this is something a bit different. It's like your how to say your satay celup your lok-lok, but just now as you see, right, there's a lot of the part of the pig. Right? This one is, I think it's a liver. We have the ear. Some of this, right, like for example the ear, and then this convolvulus or kangkong is something my mama will definitely order when she's here. And as you can hear just now, right, the audio, the lady has been selling this for 30 years. So I've been eating since I'm like what, a child. My parents actually brought me. So today I got the few specialties that we always take whenever we are here. This is something new. Okay, hold on. This is the stomach, pig stomach. And this one here, as I'm pointing to, is actually prawn. Okay, prawn base. And this is also something we always take. This is like, how to say, lap-chong, but it's flattened. So the sauce, right, is their own, we have the sweet and also the hot chili sauce together mixed. Taste is good, man, this one.